Hi everyone. Do you want to speak English confidently? Today you'll listen to a real phone conversation about planning a hill trip. Listen carefully, repeat with me, and practice every day. And please subscribe to support our channel. Let's begin.
Hey Ananya, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
I was thinking we should plan a short mountain trip, just 2 days.
Oh wow, that sounds tempting already. Which place are you thinking about?
Somewhere peaceful, not too crowded. Maybe a small hill station?
I love mountains. Fresh air, quiet mornings, long walks. I'm in.
That was easy. I thought I'd have to convince you.
Convince me for mountains? Never. When do we leave?
Saturday early morning. If we leave by 5 am, we can reach before noon.
5 a.m.? That's too early.
If we go late, we'll get traffic, and half the day will be wasted.
You have a point. Fine, but you're responsible for waking me up.
Deal. I'll call you at 4:30 am.
Please don't call too many times. I get irritated if my sleep breaks suddenly.
Noted. One call, soft tone.
Good. So, how are we traveling? Car or bus?
I think car would be better. We can stop anywhere for photos.
True. Road trips are more fun. Music, snacks, random talks.
Exactly. I'll prepare a playlist.
Make sure it's not only your sad songs.
Excuse me, my songs are soulful.
Soulful and depressing. We need happy travel songs.
Okay, fine, we'll mix both.
Good compromise.
What kind of stay do you prefer, hotel or homestay?
Definitely a homestay. I want something cozy, maybe with a balcony view.
Same. Waking up to mountains sounds perfect.
And morning tea with that view?
Now you're making me impatient.
What about budget? We shouldn't overspend.
Yes, let's keep it simple, comfortable but not luxury.
Agreed. The experience matters more than fancy interiors.
I'll check options tonight and send you pictures.
Don't book without asking me.
Of course, it's our trip, not just mine.
What should we pack? It might be cold in the evening.
Light jackets for sure, and comfortable shoes for walking.
I'm bringing one good outfit for photos.
I knew it.
What? Photos are important.
I agree, but don't overpack. It's just 2 days.
I don't overpack.
Last time you brought 3 bags for one night.
That was different. I needed options.
Options for what? A fashion show?
Very funny.
What do you want to do there?
I want to wake up early and watch the sunrise.
That means sleeping early.
Yes, for once, let's be disciplined.
Okay, sunrise, check. What else?
Maybe a short trick, nothing too difficult.
I'm okay with moderate trekking.
And we should explore local cafes.
Definitely. Mountain cafes have the best vibe.
And no rushing. I don't want a tight schedule.
Agreed. This trip is for relaxing, not ticking boxes.
How should we divide expenses?
We can split everything equally. Fuel, stay, food.
Perfect. Clear accounts, no confusion later.
I'll handle booking the stay and driving.
Then I'll manage food planning and snacks.
Great teamwork already.
That's why trips with the right person are important.
True. Wrong company can ruin even a beautiful place.
What if it rains?
Rain in the mountains is beautiful.
Yes, but what about landslides or roadblocks?
Don't overthink. We'll check the weather forecast.
Okay, safety first though.
Always.
I can already imagine sitting quietly looking at the hills.
And forgetting all work stress.
No emails, no deadlines.
Just peace.
And maybe deep conversations at night?
With hot coffee and cold air?
See, this is why we need this trip.
Yes, to reset.
So it's final? Saturday 5 a.m.?
Yes, don't cancel last minute.
I won't, promise.
I'm actually excited now.
Me too. It's been a long time since we planned something spontaneous.
Sometimes small breaks make big differences.
Exactly.
Okay, send me the stay options tonight.
I will. And start packing responsibly.
I will try.
Try.
Okay, fine. I will pack light.
That's better.
This is going to be a good trip. I can feel it.
With mountains, good weather, and good company, how can it not be?
True.
So, weekend mountain escape Officially planned.
Officially planned.